welcome back to my channel. This is the Vermel product reviews, and today I'm gonna unbox a new accessories from a Nintendo Switch Lite. So here we are, let's start it up, guys. So I already tear it up, and then we're gonna see what's inside. So I forgot what's inside. So it wrapped well. Look at that. Look at that, so bubble wrapped. Let's open this thing up. So here we are. Here it is. Okay. Just gonna step aside this back, and here it is. This is my new accessories for my Nintendo Switch Lite. This is the transparent case. Look at that, so nice, and I love it. Nice, very clear and transparent. So let's put my Nintendo Switch on it. Okay, there you go. And wow, nice. I love the transparent. Wow. But still there's no, what is this called? Still there's no here, look, I forget what it is. Screen, yes, the screen, film screen, the what is called, I forgot what it is, but I forgot to buy the screen one, the screen protector. Okay, yes, I remember it. I forgot to buy the screen protector because I don't have any money to buy. So this is the unboxing and review. So I love that transparent, and also I also have this in Amazon, Nintendo Switch Lite accessories, but I still next year will be arrived next year, and it's from my sister because my sister lives in US, and I'm sending the link to all of my Nintendo Switch accessories Lite to buy. I'm asking to buy for her. I'm asking to buy some Nintendo Switch Lite accessories so that I can unbox all of it. And also I'm planning to have a game card also in this coming next year, 2022. I think January or February will be arrived. So that's it, guys. That's it for today's vlog, and I hope you enjoy. This is the unboxing and review. Nice, very nice. I love the transparent case, and I still don't have the screen protector on it. So I still have to buy a screen protector so that it will not scratch the display. So this nice, and I love it also. Okay, just also that's just only thumbprint, and okay, there's still many thumbprint over there, so I can wipe it. I also can wipe it because I have a fiber cloth and a spray for lens cleaner. So this is it, guys. This is the unboxing and review of the transparent case of my Nintendo Switch Lite. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy. Please subscribe now, like, and also like my video. So okay, this is the Vermel product reviews. Hope you enjoy watching. Thank you and goodbye.